Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Lighting doesn't have to be boring. With this gorgeous feather floor lamp from Riceears, you can have fantastic lighting that's as whimsical and fun as you are. So this standing lamp was very easy for me to put together. It came well packaged. They even included the bulbs, which are LED with 3 color temperatures. You simply use the foot pedal to change the colors. By switching the lamp on and off, it will cycle through the different colors. Now, when I first was putting it together, I was worried that the feathers weren't going to be as fluffy as I hoped, but I followed the directions and sure enough, they just widened and fluffed up in a matter of minutes, just leaving them on their own and then kind of adjusting them as they fluffed out and gravity took over. This floor lamp has been the perfect addition to my office. It gives a beautiful amount of light, but it also has become a focal point, just adding so much drama and so much fun to the whole space. So don't settle for an ordinary floor lamp when you can have something as fun and unique as this feather floor lamp. The light is gorgeous, it has a nice height to it, and most importantly, it's full of personality. So wherever you place it in your house, it is going to shine. Every time I look at it, it puts me in a good mood, and that is so important in my office. And that is my point of view.